you know why Jupiter has so many moons? There are actually two main reasons why Jupiter has so many moons. Number one, Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system with a 2.5 times more mass than other planets of the solar system. And the immense gravity creates a strong influence, allowing it to capture more celestial objects orbiting that sun. In a latest study that Jupiter has 95 moons, and in a previous study that Jupiter has 79 moons. Historic collisions. Jupiter-like experiences numerous collisions with other celestial objects. These collisions would have entered the impacting object, leaving behind the debris united into moon around the Jupiters.